Hi everyone, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to never miss a video from the Chelsea Flower Show 2024. The best information and stunning visuals will be available on our channel. Follow and support us. Top tips to create a forest bathing garden. Turn your garden into a mindful sanctuary with ideas to steal from the RHS Forest Bathing Garden. Taking time to connect with nature does wonders for your well-being, from boosting mood and aiding relaxation to lowering your blood pressure. It can be a powerful antidote to the stresses of modern life, so much so that doctors in Japan prescribe the practice of forest bathing to improve health and wellness. What exactly is forest bathing? Simply put, it means spending time outdoors in a mindful way space and engaging your planting palette of mainly green hues and smells of the forest, on verdant from the different colors, textures, and patterns of plants around you, to the joyful sound of birdsong or wind, and known to have a soothing effect. But you don't have to be in the impact to experience the planting layers of the woodland, observing incorporating trees to give a shady green bathing garden, shrubs to provide award-winning garden designer Dave Green, and lush plants at ground level to light up beds for mindfulness in a much smaller setting. A standout feature of the 2022 RHS Hampton Court Garden Festival, this woodland-style garden is packed full of take-home planting ideas to help engage the senses and relax the mind, no matter how big or small your garden space. Not only striking in appearance, trees with ornamental bark bring a textural quality to the garden and can be therapeutic to touch. From the smooth copper-red trunks of the Tibetan cherry, Prunus cerula, to the peeling paper-like bark of many birch trees. Layers of cinnamon-tinted bark peel off the birch Betula utilis subsp. Jacqueminti doornbosche to reveal its silvery white trunks. Positioning grasses next to paths or seating areas offers the chance to stroke their tactile foliage and enjoy the soothing rustling sounds they make as you brush past. The grass Deschampsia cespitosa bronzesculaire has touchable thread-like leaves and frothy golden flower head. For damper areas in the garden, use grass like sedges, such as Carex testacea prairie fire, for textural effect. Scents can be nostalgic, unlocking pleasant feelings while engaging our attention and connecting us with the natural world. For many, the smells of the forest can evoke feelings of calm and contentment. Why not leave areas of moss and leaf litter in your garden to add a subtle forest aroma? For a more powerful hit of fragrance, add plants with scented flowers to your garden space. Viburnum times Bodnintense Charles Lamont is adorned with clusters of pink perfumed blooms on bare stems from autumn to early spring. Not only does Cercococa confusa sweetbox have lustrous deep green leaves all year, in winter its small but strongly fragrant creamy white flowers scent the air. Pick trees and plants to provide interest throughout the year, so you can practice mindfulness in every season. Hornbeam, Carpinus betulus, is one of the earliest trees to come into leaf in spring with its striking lime-green crinkled foliage. These leaves become bronze in autumn and are then held on the tree through winter. The deciduous shrub Physocarpus opulifolius diabolo is sure to catch your eye in autumn as its deep purple leaves turn to fiery red. For a shrub with showy flowers and radiant stems, Hydrangea paniculata Vims red is a fantastic choice. Held on red-tinted stems, its large white blooms mature to deep red in autumn before taking on a delicate skeletal quality in the winter months. For flower color to brighten winter days, the nodding flowers of Helleborus times Hybridus Harvington pink speckled can last for months and provide important nectar for early pollinators on the wing. Add a seating area to immerse yourself among the planting and relax the body as well as the mind. An angled seat or lounger is perfect for directing your gaze up towards the tree canopy. Even if you don't have a garden, you can still experience the feel-good power of plants. Choose a range of houseplants with interesting leaf shapes, colors, and markings, and group them together in a quiet corner of your home to create a leafy green sanctuary to practice mindfulness. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024, Episode 4. It's a celebration of nature, creativity, and the enduring appeal of gardening. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show is more than just a garden show. It's a cultural event that brings people together, celebrating a shared love for plants and design. Episode 4 of the 2024 show captures the spirit perfectly, offering a glimpse into the heart of the event. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a casual viewer, the episode is sure to leave you inspired and in awe of the incredible talent and creativity on display. As the episode draws to a close, viewers are left with a sense of wonder and appreciation for the world of gardening. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show continues to set the standard for horticultural excellence, and Episode 4 is a testament to its enduring appeal. Please continue watching RHS Chelsea Flower Show Episode 4.